Ka KJP Sinat High Secondary School kalayo ya kanam baningkong ha ka district level science, mathematics and environment exhibition buot sa Government Boys High Secondary School kabalayo ya kanam baar bat ka Saint High Secondary School kalayo ya kanam balay. Ya ka district level science, mathematics but environment exhibition lapelong da ka district school education officer West Giant Hills ha ka Arpaw Trickelbear ha Juwai Public School Juwai halor kapang Science and Technology for Sustainable Future. Kumba katway tilig school kuntup ki school badan ha Juwai bat kapsor Juwai kilaya shimbanta ha kanik exhibition.
So as we all know that we are living in a developing country and science has a very vital role to play in the development of any country, be it developed or developing country or the world as a whole. Science has always proved to be a blessing to mankind, and science has transformed life in many ways because all our various luxuries and man-made life going to be very comfortable. Man-made life activities will be comfortable without science. The very example is preparation for this exhibition itself. I guess for many of you students, we are using technologies to create the different things that, or the different exhibits and preparing the write-ups. It would have been possible without the use of your computer or your laptop, which is a part of technology. The primary aim of this science exhibition, as we all know, is to promote scientific attitude, scientific awareness, encourage curiosity, and to help foster a love for science and technology among students and the public by showcasing the scientific concepts, experiments, inventions, and by engaging yourself and interacting with your peer group. For teachers, I would like to make a strong request to please continue to inspire and motivate students to develop the spirit of scientific attitude and curiosity, as they will be the future generations of our country. For students, my strong request is to please keep on learning and never stop asking questions, because by learning and inquiring, you will find yourself growing. Science and technology exhibition is, we all know, is extra special for us. Why? Because it is entirely the efforts of our students, and they are not experts, we know, but they are rather at the learning stage. Remember, students, it's not always about winning that matters. Today, as you go out from this exhibition, some of you may be getting the prize, some of you will get to represent our district, some of you may not, but that doesn't matter. What matters is just your mere spirit of participation. That is what really matters. Okay? So, the best part is that you as students, you have huge thoughts in your mind. You all have a wandering mind, which I know that if you are properly channelized in the right way, will lead to more realistic creations.